what's up guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL here, and we are back tonight with a 6-box Sunday Funday little mixer. We have your choice between 2 Best of Leaf, 2 Upper Deck Black, or 1 of each. It's already a landslide in the vote, so I'm sure you guys know which we're opening. And besides 2 of those boxes, we do have Contours, Artifacts, SPX, and Ice down there as well. So tonight we're doing our Guess the Ink promotion. Everybody has guessed a player who they think is going to be the first autograph of the break. So anybody who hasn't took part in this promotion yet, I just want to let you guys know that if we come up with a redemption, say if it turns out to be a Dylan Larkin redemption autograph, that does not count as the first autograph. It actually has to be an autograph like this. So you have to see it in my hands on camera autograph. Okay, so redemptions aren't going to count. We haven't been counting them from the start. We're going to stay with the same rules. The reason I had that pro penmanship there, we are giving that away to a lucky winner at the end of the break. We sent you guys out a survey. We asked you guys to complete it. Anyone who completed it and got back to me in time is going to have a chance to win this or a free spot in our next mini break. So I'd like to tell you guys, anybody who's in chat, please give me your vote now. I do know what everybody's vote already is, but give me your vote. Would you rather 2 Best of Leaf tonight, 2 Black, or 1 of each? Up to you guys. Give us a quick vote. I do know some people who aren't voting but already voted through me, so. Just gonna wait for your guys' votes, and once I see them, we'll get started, I guess. All right, no reason we can't start with the randoms. To be honest with you, I mean, Upper Deck Black has more hits, obviously. These Best of Leaf, I mean, I've seen some huge cards come out of it, but the thing with Best of Leaf, there's only 2 cards in it. One is guaranteed a Jack Eichel. You're guaranteed a Jack Eichel rookie card because Eichel only signs with Leaf. So you're guaranteed an Eichel rookie card, and you're guaranteed a graded card. So a card comes graded already in the pack. That's where actually we hit the Wayne Gretzky. I just gave away a Wayne Gretzky last video to a lucky guy who picked Boombox number 1. So that Wayne Gretzky came straight from Best of Leaf. I had a weak moment one night and opened a Best of Leaf and hit the Wayne Gretzky. So I actually just gave it away to Corey. Shout out Corey. Congrats again, man. So that's up to you guys. Only 2 cards in Best of Leaf, and Upper Deck Black has 6 more hits. So Black. Sounds good. I figured it would be, but might as well give you guys a choice. So we're gonna put these away. These have been here on the shelf for a while, and like I said, there's nothing to do with the cards in them. The cards are great, but it's just 2 cards, man. It's just it's not enough for the price. But we're gonna do something crazy with just 2 of these someday. I don't know what, but we're gonna figure out something. All right, so we do have 2 Black instead of 2 Best of Leaf. All right, let's roll this dice. Let's see how many times we're going to randomize the teams and the names. Best of luck, guys. 4 times, my lucky number. 4 times. All right, guys. I don't know if there's a problem. Let me know in the chat if anyone else is experiencing a problem. Yeah, Eichel would go to Buffalo there in that case, Ryan, man. We've opened Best of Leaf in group breaks before, and we got to give Eichel to Buffalo, obviously. Sean and Steve are having trouble with their feeds. Anybody else? Hopefully not. Ustream's been pretty good to us, man. I can't complain about Ustream. We used to break on Breakers TV, and that was just a nightmare, crashing all the time. But Ustream's been pretty good. I don't know, guys. Maybe give it a refresh. See if that helps any. Hopefully it does. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the randoms as long as everybody else can see. All right, let's do it. Time to show you guys who you got, I guess. All right, we're going to start with the teams. 4 times on the random, guys. Good luck. We got 1, 2, 3, and lucky 4. Okay, we got Anaheim down to Toronto rounding out the bunch. And St. Louis down to Columbus. Okay, we got 4 times on the teams this time. Oh, that's supposed to be the names. Just bear with me, guys. Let me copy paste the list from Facebook here. It was a pretty big landslide of a vote on Best of Leaf and Black. I don't think anyone voted for Best of Leaf. Not even one person. All right, just going to the page, the event page here, guys, to copy and paste everything. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna have to make the team list a little bit bigger at this time, that's all. Yeah, poor Best of Leaf. We can't get rid of them. I guess we're gonna have to do some kind of crazy draw with them. All right, there's the teams that we started with. Let's get these names over with. Okay, here's the names. We're not even gonna mess with it at all. 1, 2, 3, and lucky 4, guys. Best of luck. We got Brad W at top, all the way down to Jared, halfway through. And Johnny down to Mark. All right, there's everybody's teams. Let's get this up for you guys. There are your teams. We got Brad W is Anaheim, Jonathan H is Montreal, Jonathan R is Buffalo, Ethan is Ottawa, Steven is Vancouver, Colin the Rangers, Greg is Detroit, Chris G is LA, Greg is Boston, Ryan B is Nashville, Corey S is Calgary, Ryan T is San Jose, Matt R is Pittsburgh, Greg Carolina, Jared is his beloved Toronto, Johnny R is St. Louis, Ryan T is Edmonton, Jonathan H is Colorado, Marcel is the Islanders, Johnny R is Florida, Devin, Washington, Mike, Tampa Bay, Greg, Chicago, Matt is Minnesota, Ryan, Dallas, Mark F is Philly, Mark F is Winnipeg, Sean is Arizona, Kenneth, New Jersey, and Mark rounds out the crowd with Columbus. So there are your teams, guys. We'll give you a quick 2 minutes to trade. Anybody wants to talk trades, be my guest. I'm sure you're already after started. I'm not sure if the stream's working for you guys or not. Hopefully it is. I mean, I don't see anything dropped. It'd tell me if I was dropping on my end here, but I don't think anything's dropping, to be honest with you. Hope not. All right, so here comes the trade talk. Anybody wants to talk trades, this is the time to do it. If you're not seeing chat and you want to offer your team up for trade, be my guest and give me a message on Facebook or email me. All right, so let's see if we can go 3 for 3. 3 videos in a row giving out a boombox. All right. So some people's experiencing trouble, guys. I apologize if you're experiencing trouble with the feed, but everything is being recorded and it will be up on YouTube directly after. So if you guys are having a bad time, just I don't know, maybe it's better to watch it on YouTube after. Sorry, but some people are fine. Looks like the feed's working for them. All right, so Anaheim is for trade. Anaheim's available if anybody's interested. Toronto is also available. Wild for Anaheim or Toronto, Matt says, if anybody who offered Toronto and Anaheim is interested for Minnesota. All right, we got about 1 minute left on the trade talks, and then it's time to get started, guys. Toronto for virtually anyone. Brad, Jared says he'd do Anaheim for Toronto. If you want to do Anaheim for Toronto, it's up to you. Last chance, though, guys. We got to get this started. All right, Jonathan says his teams are for trade. Jonathan has Colorado and Montreal. He's interested in Pittsburgh or Edmonton. So anybody who has Pittsburgh or Edmonton want to trade for Montreal. Matt R has Pittsburgh. Up to you guys. Just pass some messages along. Okay, no Toronto. Johnny votes 2 best of Leaf. I think it's a little bit too late for your votes, Johnny. I think Black won in a landslide, man. All right. All right, guys. Last chance on the trades. If you're gonna do any trades, make sure you confirm it through me. I'm gonna randomize these boxes. That's the way we've been doing it since the start. So I have them alphabetically order into random. Let you guys see it 4 times on the random to see which one we open first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we got artifacts. And then box 1 of black. Artifacts and box 1. So we're going to go box 1 is the front one. And we got artifacts. So these will be the first 2 opened. The rest doesn't really matter. Artifacts has been known to not show an autograph sometimes, so but there's obviously autographs in black, upper deck black. Canes for Washington, is that correct? Jonathan had Montreal and Colorado. He was looking for Pittsburgh. He's a Pittsburgh fan. So is Washington for Carolina as a deal? Washington for Carolina. Is that correct? Am I right to say that? No, he didn't. He says no one to Minnesota, man. Jonathan H. Jared's offering $20 in Toronto for Montreal. But Jonathan's also looking for Pittsburgh. So last chance, guys. I think Washington and Carolina happened as a deal. Oh. Okay, that's it. Looks like that is it for trade offers, guys. Time to get break and good luck on the first ink autograph. All right, here's everybody's first guess for first autograph tonight. Anybody correctly guesses, they're going to have a shot at one of our boom boxes over there in the corner. They're just looming. And there's some pretty good stuff left in them, too. Top prize is still available. Wayne Gretzky was a pretty good prize, but top prize is still out there in one of these boxes. All right, so that's it. Let's do it. First pack of artifacts. Good luck, guys. Marian Gaborik. We have an Alexander Burrows for the Vancouver Canucks. 57 of 125. Alexander Burrows for the Canucks. I am getting a couple people messaging me saying they're not having much luck with the video, guys, so I do apologize. I do see a lot of people watching. That might have something to do with it. Alexander Burrows for the Canucks. No ink yet. These artifacts are always so hard to open. Corey's winning guess the other night was Colton Parayko, so nobody guessed Colton Parayko tonight. Griffin Reinhart. And we have a rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, Jacob Delarose, 212 of 399. So there you go. That's going out to Jonathan right away. A couple people were trying to trade for Montreal, but nothing worked out. Jacob Delarose. Tanner Pearson for the Kings. And we have our first autograph for the Columbus Blue Jackets, 10 of 49, Scott Hartnell. That's a tough first guess, to be honest with you. Scott Hartnell, first autograph of the night. So we were giving out boomboxes 2 videos in a row, but it looks like we're going to keep a boombox for next time. Scott Hartnell going out to Columbus Blue Jackets. All right, I can get this first autograph off the screen, let you guys see full screen. Three packs, 3 hits so far with the first box of artifacts. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Hit for this pack is a Jeff Skinner, Carolina Hurricanes, 311 of 399. Good, glad to hear it's working great for you guys. Like I said, Ustream hasn't let me down yet. It's been nothing but good streaming. Breakers has been terrible. Let's keep this box rolling. Mike Smith, Sam Reinhart, and the hit for this pack is a Jacob Delarose, dual appearance by Mr. Delarose, number to 399. There you go, a couple quick hits for Montreal. So now that the first autograph is over, guys, we'll leave the 2 upper deck blacks to the last. That's what everybody's really here for, obviously. Frederik Andersen, the start. Hit for the pack is Columbus Blue Jackets, number to 999, Sergei Bobrovsky. Number to 999. Yeah, Scott Hartnell's a tough one to guess. We had a hilarious one the other night. I can't even remember who it was, but it was so random. It was like impossible to guess. But it can't be too impossible. We've already given away two boom boxes, and we're less than a month into this. We have a Taylor Hall Blue Artifacts for the Edmonton Oilers, number 9 of 85. I believe Edmonton was Ryan, if I wasn't not mistaken. Ryan is Edmonton, yep. Couple bad breaks for Ryan, but hopefully we can get you something here with Edmonton, man. Taylor Hall, not a bad start. Okay, last pack of artifacts, and then we're moving on to something else. Brandon Dubinsky. We get a redemption for the Vancouver Canucks. Going out to Stephen M. Rookie redemption. All right, let's get these upper deck contours out of the way, followed by some SPX. Not far behind it. Four packs of contours. 2 hits per pack. First hit of the pack goes out to the Winnipeg Jets. Rookie Jumbo Fabric, Connor Hellebuyck. Winnipeg is Mark. Mark always seems to be Winnipeg, whenever they hit anyway. And, oh, the hit was attached to the back of the card there. Rookie resume, Chandler Stevenson, 289 of 399 for the Washington Capitals. Chandler Stevenson. Okay, Connor Hellebuyck was the big hit of that pack. We have a blue Curtis Joseph for the St. Louis Blues, 395 of 499. Curtis Joseph. And followed by that is a Detroit Red Wings rookie autograph, numbered 49 of 499. Detroit. Who is Detroit tonight? Detroit is Mr. Greg. For the San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture, numbered to 499. Logan Couture. And the next hit is a Contours rookie resume. We already hit the non-autograph variation, Chandler Stevenson. Chandler Stevenson for the Capitals. All right, I'm expecting something nice in the last pack here. It's been a boring box so far, so let's see. We have a Dylan Larkin, 203 of 399, Contour rookie resume. Dylan Larkin. And we have a Contours Club Crest for the Calgary Flames, Emile Poirier. Everybody's favorite first guess to ink. Emile Poirier. Up next, Upper Deck SPX, we have 1 box of ice and 2 boxes of black to finish it off. Okay, let's get some people knocked off this checklist here, this hit list. Joe Pavelski, Nicholas Backstrom. Right off the hop, we have a Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plotnikov. Rookie, SPX rookie auto, number 292 of 299. Plotnikov. Yeah, if you're collecting the artifacts, man, let me know, Steven. I got so much base cards there, man. You can have them as long as you pay for the shipping. They are yours, buddy. I'd say I got 3 or 4 sets there, to be honest. So we had our rookie autograph out of the way right away, and we're moving on to a shift change for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. For the Florida Panthers. Ryan O'Reilly, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Ryan Johansson, and we have a Robbie Fabry, rookie threads for the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis, Robbie Fabry. No number on the back. All right, we got a thick one coming up. It is a beautiful patch for the Calgary Flames. Emile Poirier, 7 of 10. That is a beauty right there. 7 of 10. Let me put that beauty down for a second. Calgary Flames. Who is Calgary? Beautiful patch, man. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch for the Calgary Flames. Beautiful. Calgary is Corey S. Wow, Corey, man. Keeping up the good luck, brother. That is number 7 of 10. That's a big card. Corey S. on fire the last couple breaks. Stick Wizards for the Buffalo Sabres, Matt Molson. Stick Wizards. Yeah, that's a pretty little patch there, man. 4 color patch, you gotta love it. SPX rookie for the Bolts, Tampa Bay Lightning, Luke Witkowski. Sorry about the glare off the cards there, fellas. We had the light change today, and it's not being my friend here. SPX rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. How about another Stick Wizards for the Dallas Stars, Jason Spezza. Jason Spezza, Stick Wizards. Let's keep it moving. Some nice hits already, and we haven't got to the black, so that's what I like to see. You don't want to wait around for the big boxes to get the hits. Put all the pressure on it. Dylan DeMello for the Sharks, SPX rookie. Dylan DeMello. 2 packs of SPX coming at you. Finish it off. And we have a shift change for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. It's going out to Ryan T. There you go, man. See if we can find you some more McDavid. And all base cards. Okay, last pack. SPX rookie, Brett Pesce for the Carolina Hurricanes. Looks like Carolina may be winning the trade so far with Washington. Okay, we got a box of Upper Deck Ice coming at you. And then it's on to the big boys. What's up, man? Welcome to the room. You came at a good time for the last 3 boxes, the most interesting ones. Spacers everywhere. Okay, here we go. Good luck, guys. Let's knock some people off this hit list. Ice Premier for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Marcus Hanakane. There's the Ice Premier number to 1999. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot he hit that auto. Yeah, we'll call it a tie so far. We'll judge it after these 3 boxes. Forgot about the autograph. Ice Premiers for the Chicago Blackhawks, Eric Gustafsson, number to 1999 as well. Getting those Ice Premiers out of the way. Eric Gustafsson. We hit a nice little Nikolaj Ehlers Ice Premier to 99. Last break. That's a beauty card. Mr. Gregory. Lucky Greg hit it. We have another Ice Premier for the Minnesota Wild, number to 1499, Christoph Bertschke. Minnesota Wild. 1499. Okay, no big cards coming out of Ice so far. Ice Premier, Hunter Shinkaruk for the Vancouver Canucks, number to 999. 329 of 999. Ice Premier. Feels like a thick one. Alright, looks like we have a redemption on our hands. Good luck. Redemption is for, wow, an exquisite collection rookie signature, numbered to 399 for the Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. Dylan Larkin, man. Beautiful card going out to Lucky Greg, I believe. I think I checked he was Detroit earlier. He was. Dylan Larkin, nice card, man. Beautiful. Exquisite collection. And I think he just finished signing those redemptions too, so you don't gotta wait on them. I've seen a couple people already had theirs sent out, so you should get that as soon as you redeem it, man. Up next, we have a Frozen Fabrics for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Vladimir Tarasenko. Yeah, sorry, Raleigh, man. I think we're having some. I guess we're having technical issues here tonight because some people are having trouble with the video and others aren't having trouble at all. So I don't believe there was any Sharks yet, but don't quote me on that, man. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think there was. I think you hit a Dylan DeMello rookie card, and there might have been another insert number to 999, but that might have been it. All right, we have Glacial Graphs for the New York Islanders, Anders Lee. For the Isles. Glacial Graphs. Whoa, that's weird, man. A lot of Larkins have been sent out already. Maybe he just didn't sign yours. Glacial Graphs. All right, we got 1 pack of ice left. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that Dylan Larkin was definitely the box hit. We have Global Impact, straight from Moscow, Russia. Stanislav Galiv for the Washington Capitals, Global Impact. Stanislav Galiv. All right, we are moving on to the last 2 boxes of Upper Deck Black. Really hoping there's some big hits in here. We opened a nice Edmonton booklet last night, but that was probably the biggest card of the box, so it wasn't special. So hoping there's something good here. Best of luck, fella. If you haven't hit yet, this is the time to do it. And don't forget, don't go anywhere, because we do have our draw at the end of the video for our pen pals and one free spot in the break. All right, up first for the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Ladd, 256 of 349. Just a base card. For the LA Kings, we have a 178 of 299 Lustrous Ink Derek Fourboard. He's been a pretty popular ink guest as well, for good reason. I see a lot of his autos. Let's see, he had a question. He wrote his name with a question mark. Wasn't sure if it was his name or not. Derek Fourboard for the LA Kings. Who's LA, by the way? LA is Chris G. Chris is, I don't think you went hitless in a long time, man. You're doing pretty good. There's one for you. Up next for the Vancouver Canucks, we have a autographed rookie coverage relic, Jake Virtanen for the Vancouver Canucks. Vancouver is Stephen M. Nice card, brother. Jake Virtanen. Rookie coverage autograph relic. Up next for the San Jose Sharks. Here you go, Raleigh. We have a Nikolai Golovin Pro Rookie Penmanship. So there's the first real Sharks hit for you if you're still watching, man. You want an auto card? Alright, let's see what we can do for you. That is the first big Sharks hit of the night. Up next, for the Philadelphia Flyers, we have Nick Cousins. Nick Cousins for the Flyers. And last but not least, we have a Nasty Patch Rookie Showcase. Just missed a Nasty Patch. 16 of 25 for the Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban. Love to see a little bit of ink on the card, but it's a strong one color patch. There's 2 and 3 right there in the corner, but let's go with the Boston. Nice card, Boston. 16 of 25. Rookie Showcase Relic. Okay, on to the last box. Let's find a boomer. So guys, we're going to have a mini breakup on Tuesday. Well, it's going to be posted now later tonight. It's pick your own team for 3. It's only going to be 3 boxes, so it's just a pick your team for 3 boxes. On Thursday, we got a pretty cool break of a whole box of Fleer Showcase. A whole box of Fleer Showcase, a whole case, a whole box. I said a whole case, I meant. Up first for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg, base card, number 2/349. Up next, Vancouver Canucks, Jared McCann, illustrious rookie. That's 2 autos of Jared, number 299. Jared McCann. Okay, we have a redemption. Let's leave that there for a second. Up next is a Jerome Iginla Star Trademarks jersey card going into the Colorado Avalanche. Jerome Iginla. Dallas Stars, Radek Fashka. rookie trademarks there. All right, we'll leave that one there. There's a nice little patch going to Ryan Johansson and the Columbus Blue Jackets, claiming it with the logo on the back. But that is a pretty cool patch, actually. 1 of 25. I'm sure whoever hit Columbus didn't think they were going to hit anything, so that's always a nice addition. Shout out, Mark, hitting Columbus. 1 of 25. That's a nasty little patch. Beautiful. All right, and on to the last one. We have an NHL Upper Deck Black Pro Penmanship Combos. This card is numbered to 15. Beautiful. We have a triple autograph numbered to 15 going out to the San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski, Patrick Marleau, and Brent Burns. There you go. Triple Pro Penmanship numbered to 15. Beautiful card going out to San Jose. So San Jose were late showing up. But there you go, Riley, man. It's been pretty good to you since you did make an appearance. Congratulations, brother. All right, that is it. We don't have any random draws for tonight. We're just going to go ahead and do the draw for this. How it's going to work, everybody who filled out our survey for us is going to have a chance at this Pro Penmanship Pen Pals 2011-2012 Dominion. 12 of 99 into one touch. You'll get it into one touch. And we have $15 mini break spot going as well. So what we're going to do is the person on top is going to get the card. The person in the last spot is going to get the break credit, all right? 4 times on the random list, just like we done for the rest of the night. Let me get everybody's name copied here. Okay, so random.org. Never let us rhyme before. We're going to do 4 times on the random. Let you guys see it, of course. Here you go. So here's everybody's name who filled out the survey, guys. Much appreciated. We do appreciate the feedback and all your good ideas and stuff. We're going to try to incorporate them as much as possible. We're going to try. That's exactly why we sent it out, so we can figure out if you guys want to do more mixers, more full case breaks, more pick your teams, more randoms, more live team drafts. Seems like a lot of people like the live team drafts, so we'll try to do a lot more of those. All right, let's get this rolling. 4 times on the random. Top name gets the card. Bottom name gets the break credit. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got Ryan all the way up on top. He is taking home the card. And we got Beach all the way down on bottom getting a free break spot. So there you go, guys. Thanks again for joining us. And I hope you enjoyed the break. We will have these cards shipped out first thing in the morning. And don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.